everyone, welcome to Hengsheng Heavy Machinery. This is our factory and we have mini excavators, skid-steer loaders, forklift and lawn movers. Small in size but big in quality.
HS320T skid steer loader. Easy to enter and exit narrow construction sites and warehouses. With 0.15 meters cube large capacity bucket. Coupled with a strong lifting force of 360 kilograms. Can be installed in large quantities and lifted steadily. We support customization, have sufficient stock, and provide a one-stop service of host plus accessories. Our advantages will definitely bring you surprises.